All right, appreneurs, welcome back. Um, in this video, I'm going to show you how I submit my apps to Amazon. Okay, I showed you how to submit your apps to the Google Play Store, to Opera, and now we're going to go ahead and move on to Amazon. I also showed you a tool called Distimo, where you can get the analytics from all of your app developer accounts and check your statistics and your advertising network statistics. So real quick, before I get into this video, I want to show you something. And remember, I told you I had a good feeling about this app. We got Candy Crush Levels Help Guide. Okay, we got 166 installs the first day and a half, which is pretty good. You know, I'm not mad. But you know, like I said, the ultimate goal is to actually make $1 off each install, and you know, and hopefully, you know, your app holder keeps that app on their phone, okay, so they can use it over and over again. But let me show you this. Okay, so far the app Candy Crush Levels Help Guide, it's made $10.76 so far, and it's been a few hours ago. I believe in a couple of videos before it was like $5. Now it's up to $10.76, so it's chugging along. And look at that ECPM. I mean, I'm blown away by that. You know, usually if you can get that like at 60, you're doing good. That's at 166. Okay, so doing good on that. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go to our Amazon developer account. I'm going to open that up. Pause the video. I'm going to log in. Okay, I logged into my account, and to sign up for the Amazon developer account, just go to Google, type in Amazon developer account, and it'll provide a link for you. Go ahead through the sign up process and so forth, and it takes them about 2 days for them to approve you for an Amazon account. Okay, all right. Now let's look at some apps that I have up so far. Okay, these are some that I have so far, and the ultimate goal is to get all my apps on the Amazon store. Their approval process is sort of like with Apple, where they have to manually go in and browse your app, and you know, after they see that it meets their standards, they'll go ahead and approve you. So look at that. Injustice got 91 yesterday. Last 7 days, 609. Last 30 days, so forth, and bada boom. Okay. Juicing app. Okay, bada boom. And Minecraft app. That's kicking butt. Okay. All right. So anyway, I'm logged in. Now I'm gonna go to apps and services. Or do I want to go to add an app? Yeah, sorry about that. I want to add a new app. So let's do that. I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay. Some of you may find your own tips and tweaks and so on, which will be good. Okay. App title. I'm going to take this straight from the SDK here. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab that. Okay, paste that there. Okay. App, don't worry about that. We'll get your category. Games. Okay. Want that player strategy. That's like a strategy. Okay. Use my default customer support information. So such. Let's get our privacy URL. Privacy policy. Okay, let's put that there. Okay, let's save. Okay. Now we got general information. Let's go to availability and pricing. Okay. Where would you like this ad to be available? In all countries. Are you charging for this app? No. Has this app already been released? Yes. And it was released on a couple days ago. We'll just say 6/17. Okay. So let's do that. 6/17. Okay. When would you like it available on Amazon? Um, Leaving the field blank will make it. Okay. We'll leave it blank. Okay. Uh, Tick that yes. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but just click it yes. It's for let's see what it is. We will contact you with more details about the program and what you expect as your app goes through the approval process. So I believe it's a good thing, so we're going to leave that, tick that yes. Okay. All countries. Okay, got that done. Let's go to our description. Okay. It's going to put the title there by default. Now, I'm going to use this just in English, but we can translate. I think Amazon has about 10 languages. Okay, and that's all they have. But for now, for just demonstration purposes and showing you how to do it, we're just going to do in English. So, shorter version of your app description. We're going to use this part right here. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay, a long description. I'm going to use the whole thing. So I'm going to go in there, click Control A, copy. Okay, paste. Okay, product features bullets. Like I said, it's a method to my madness. See, this is why I have these already in bullet form, so I can just add them to Amazon. That's the only reason I make these bullets right here. Okay. So let's copy. And it's a certain way that you have to get these to put the bullet dot on them. It didn't do it on that one. Oops. Alright, let's try this. Okay, boom. Now see, it added a dot there. Okay, that's what you want to do. Okay, watch how I do it again. Just put your mouse there. You're gonna go back, and then enter. It didn't do it that time. Let's try it again. Okay, well, it did it that time. Let's see. Alright, we'll do it like that. Let's see. I'm trying to get it to go right there. Shoot. Okay. Anyway. Alright, I got all of them except that one. Alright, let me try something. I'm going to cut that. Okay. I'm going to paste it. Okay, yeah, it might work. Right there. Okay. Let me do it like that. Okay, keywords. Let me go to my description. And I got it right there for easy access. Get my keywords. Yeah, let's go with those. You can add. I don't think they'll let you add too many keywords. I'm gonna try to keep it 5 to 10. Okay. All right. So I'm not gonna save it added translation right now. I'm just gonna keep it in English. Although I should go ahead and do all the languages, but I'll come back and do it. Save it. Okay. Images and multimedia. Okay, let's check it. Okay, good. All right. This is where you're gonna have to use some of your Snagit skills and your screen capture skills. Okay. We already have an icon. So and we want the 114 by 114. So let's click that. Let's see. Google and Amazon icons, right? 114. Oh, it's not there. Okay. Maybe it's in this one. Need 114. 114. There we go. Okay. Then we got a large icon. Uh-oh. Okay. Got a large one. Okay. Okay. Click that. 512. Okay. Now screenshots between 3 and 10, PNG or JPGs. Okay. The size has to be 800 by 480. Okay. So we got to do some tweaking when it comes to those. Okay. Now let me show you how I do it. We got a 124 by 600. Now let's go ahead and see what we got already that we can use and possibly just resize instead of making a whole other screenshot. So let's go to, let's go to our folder. Okay. Let's go to images and screenshots. Now I've got one already that is like a 124 by 500. Okay. Now what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to open up Paint. See Paint up here? And I already got one 1280 by 720. Okay. So I want to open. I want to go to that image, and hopefully this will go well. That's 124 by 500. Okay. So we're going to try and resize it to make it 124 by 600. I'm sorry, I keep saying 124. 1024. Okay. Now let's no, that can't be right. We're on pixels. Okay. As you can see, it's 124 by 500. I want to uncheck maintain aspect ratio. I want to put 600 there and just see how it looks. Like it distorted it somewhat, but we're going to go with it. We're going to go with that one. So let's save it as a PNG. Okay, I want to change the name. 124 by 600. We just call this Amazon. All right. So let's save it. Okay. All right. Close it up. Okay. Now let's go ahead and add that image real quick. That was a 124 by 600, right? Let's click it and let's go to our images. On 1024 by 600. Okay, that's one. I've got a 1280 by 720 already done. Okay, let's let this one load. Come on. Okay. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, we're going with that. Okay. So, I already got a 1280 by 720 already done. And see, one thing, what I do is I put that the image size in front, so I have to go searching, you know, for that image size. I just look for 1280, and I got it right there, 1280 by 720. Let's add that one. Even though it looks the same as that one, that's okay. Although I should, when I think about it, I should change it. But let's see. What we're going to do is I'm going to add a few mobile screenshots. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. We're going to let that one load. Okay. All right, that was a little bigger. Now let me see something. That's 800 by 480. Let me check our screenshots. I forget what size these are. Let me get a size check. Let's see, properties. Details. 540 by 960. Okay. Yes, so what we're gonna have to do is 540 by 960. Yeah, we got to do a custom. I was just thinking of something else that I may want to try, but what I'm going to do now is just open up Snagit. we want a 800 by 480. Okay, I'm gonna let Snagit open up. Okay, and let me delete these images here. Okay, all right. Let's go to File and New. 800 by 480. Right? Okay. Now let's go ahead and get one of our screenshots for our mobile phone. And I've seen this done on the Amazon App Store, so I figured I could do it too. And I'll show you what I mean. Let's see. Do that. Let's get a screenshot. Okay. See if I can add a few here. Let me add this one. Wonder if I can Control C and add a few more. Yeah, it looks like I can. Let's try that one. Alright, let's open up. And I believe all four of those images should open up. Alright, good. Okay. Now, let's go to this one again, because that's our blank screen. I want to go to Paint Bucket. Now, what I want to do is, I want to make the background on this, let's see what would be a good background color. White usually, but, let's see. We got kind of go with the blue. But let me show you how I do this, so I can keep it all color coordinated. Click Fill. Click select color from image. Okay. Now watch how I do this. Let me use this image right here. Okay. Now select from image. Okay. Let's try that color. Okay, you see what I did there? Now let's go back to our big one. Okay, bada boom. Okay, took the color from that image. Now go back to our thing there. First one I want to use is let's say this one. So right click, copy. Okay, let's go to our image. Right click, paste. Okay, click no on that. Now we got to resize this so it'll be inside. And actually, now what I was doing, I would just resize it and I would show everything like these bars at the top there. But lately they've been saying, you know, that's not a good thing to do, for whatever their reasons are. So I'm considering just placing this on my screen here without the mobile icons and so forth. Now let's see how we're looking. Okay, got to make it a little smaller. Because I actually want to make it tablet friendly. So actually, I'm going to take the advice on that. I'm just going to do it like that. Okay. So that's going to be one of my screenshots. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, so that'll be one. So let's click file and save as, and we want to save it as a PNG. So yeah, right there. Okay, PNG. Okay, let's put that in our folder, images. Okay, Candy Crush, and we're gonna call it 800 by 480 Amazon size. You know, Amazon Candy Crush, however you want to label it. Okay, and PNG. So we're gonna save it. So that's one. Okay. Oh, you know what? I didn't flatten that, so those marks are gonna be there. Let's see. Flatten all. All right. Now let's try it again. I'm about to save that again. Save as. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna save and replace. Okay. All right. So that's one. Let's do another one. We're gonna do one more. I actually may do a couple more. So let's delete that one. Let's go to file again. New. 800 by 480. Okay. I wonder if our color thing is still there. Yeah, it is. Okay, good. All right. So let's grab. Let's see. Let's grab this one. Yeah. So right click, copy, paste. No. Okay. All right. And I'm thinking of something. I just thought of something. What if I make this bigger to cover that? How would that work? No, I can't do that because it's already big enough. Okay, so I got to do this. So we're going to do a deep shrink. And for this one, I'm going to leave the icons on this one. Just have different looks. No, better yet, I'm not. Because I just thought of something. You know, Amazon is mostly Kindle, although you do get some mobile users. Well, no, yeah. So just for some mobile users, in case they need to see, they can put on their phone. We'll do that. Okay. And still don't have my bottom icons. Let's see. Oops. Get that corner there. Okay. And bada boom. Okay. So we got our mobile in there. Up a little more. Up a little more. Up a little more. There we go. All right. So let's right click and flatten all. Okay. So we're going to use this one. Save as. Okay. What size can we make? Oh, yeah, 800 by 480. Amazon Candy Crush. Okay. We'll say number 2, something like that. Save. Okay. I'm thinking one more, just to make it look good. Okay. So we're coming up on 25 minutes here. So we're gonna go ahead and do this next one. Okay. Let's see. So we're gonna close this one. Okay. Let's open up a new one. One more new one. New. What are the sizes? Let's see. 1920 by 1200. Let's do that one. A 1920 by 1200. Okay. I'm trying some new stuff here. 1920 by 1200. Okay, that'll be our new size. See how big this is. Whoa. Okay, so go to our color bucket. Got the same color there. Good. All right. So let's see what we got going here. We're gonna use this one right here. The video. Let's see. Let's use this one. Right click, copy. Put our tool there and paste. All right. So, matter of fact, I may use that size more often because I don't have to do any too much editing. Besides just moving that down. Yeah, looking good. All right, let's see. Get that space up there. Bada boom. Move down a little bit more. Okay. And that's it. Okay. Right click, flatten. So I just learned something new. That new size. All right. Save. Okay. So we got a 12. What's that size again? 1920 by 1200. 1920 by 1200. Candy Crush. Okay. So we're going to save that. And boom, we got our images. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and close that because I'm finished with it. And we're going to continue on with this video. You know, since we're doing it. Got our screenshots done. Upload image. Okay. That's one. Upload that one. Okay. Do another one. That's it. Or did I do that one? Okay, yeah. And we got one more. Big super. Ah, shoot. Man, I might have to open that back up. Yeah, because it's not in the middle. Okay. Yep, so let's do that real quick again. Okay, now I see what I need to do for that one. Okay, when I'm using that size. Yep, okay. So, 1920 by 1200. Okay. Open new. 1920 by 1200. Okay. What if I still got that color available? Let's see. Let me go to my bucket. Nope. Okay. Let's undo that then. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is, what image was that? That image was, let's see, 1920 by 1200. That was the one of the two videos. Okay. All right. Let's do this. Okay. On a bucket. Fill. Select from image. I think it's something like that color there. Okay. So let's go back to this. All right, there we go. Okay. Now let's right click. Copy. Okay. That. Paste. Okay. Now let's move this to the middle. Like so. And let's move this down. Like so. Let's move this over. Alright, well, now we're pretty much centered. I know we are. And let's move this up like that. Okay. Let's move it down now. Going down. Going down. Okay. Let's see how we looking now. See, I gotta go down some more. Let's go on down. We're still in the middle. Alright, looking good. I can go with that. I can move it down a little bit more. Kind of balance it out. Let's see. And we in the middle there? Alright. I think this is the middle right here where this dot is. Or does that move? Yeah, that moves. Okay, so that's the middle. Let's move it over a little bit. Okay, we can go with that. Right click, flatten, all. Now let's save it. Okay. So we're learning something new again. 1920. Okay, that's it. Yep. And we're going to save that. Or replace it. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to close this up. Okay, we're going with that. There it is right there. Okay, so let's go back to, oops. Go ahead and upload it. And let's see where we're at. Right there. Okay, and actually, what I'm going to do next time, I can like enlarge that because I got room to work with, where I don't have to have the mobile icons on there. Okay, all right. So let's go to our promo image, recommended. We already got a 1024 by 500, and it's right there. Okay. All right. Come on. Okay. Bada boom. Now, we've got our video. Now, let me find our video real quick. That would be in, hold on. Okay, I'm going to find our video real quick. Pause. Alright, we're back. I had to spend like 4 minutes looking for that video. So, once again, we have to realize the importance of being organized. So I got that video and I put it in our folder. So I won't have too much trouble finding that video. There it is. Okay. So we're going to put it there. Let's put our video on there. And that's going to be a while, so I'm going to pause the video again. Alright, so we have our video uploaded, and that took about 8 minutes. Okay, so let's double check everything. Let's save. And excuse me. Let's go to content rating. Alright. Alcohol, tobacco, none. Cartoon, financial, violent, none. 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 Okay. So it also contains account creation, personal information. It's got advertisements in it. Okay. And that's about it. So let's save that. Okay. Let's go to our file now. Okay. Click yes on that, recommended, and let's get our file. It's right here, Candy Crush APK. Okay. And let that do its thing. Okay. Coming along. Okay. And gonna let it come along. Alrighty. Okay. So far so good. Let's check all these. Okay. Alright, that's about what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18, 19, 20, 21 languages. Okay. Alright, I certify this app is in. Yep. Okay. Let's change it to Candy Crush levels. Okay, don't want to make that too long. That's good. Okay. Testing instructions. I just put none. And save. And so we're going to see what Amazon says. We're going to click submit. And Amazon will let us know if our app is approved or not. One thing I should have done, though, I should have double checked, to see if the WYSIWYG text was, okay, formatted correctly and so forth. I should have did that before I submitted it to Amazon, because they do a manual approval process. So, but anyway, it's submitted, and we're going to take it from there. Now I've got a pending action on my Injustice character lineup. I can find out what that is. But these, they said I had to get some additional authorizations, we'll put it like that, for those to go live. So I just didn't even submit them again. This one too. No, this one's live already. That one's live already. I think I submitted what did I do? I submitted an updated APK. That's what I did. Okay. So yeah, these are the ones that's live, and I have to see what's going on with this one, and that's it. So that's the Amazon. Matter of fact, let's take a look and see what it says. Okay, it doesn't say. Or I'll probably have to check my email to find out what it says. But it's probably something like double check an image, or you may have to rename it, something like that. But anyway, that's how you submit to Amazon. And that's all I got for that. So I will see you all in the next video, and good luck.